Understanding 2D shapes.
Introduction. All the shapes we see around us are formed using curves or lines. We can see corners, edges, planes, open curves and closed curves in our surroundings. We organize them into line segments, angles, triangles, polygons and circles. Plane, angles, edges. We find that they have different size and measures. Let us now try to develop tools to compare their sizes. Three-dimensional shapes. In our day-to-day life, we see several objects like books, balls, ice cream cones, etc. around us, which have different shapes. One thing common about most of these objects is that they all have some length, breadth, and height or depth. Three-dimensional objects. Those objects which have occupied space called three-dimensional objects. Hence, they are called. Study the given examples. Some of the three-dimensional shapes, that is, solid shapes, are given below: cylinder, sphere, cuboid, cube, cone, and pyramid, etc. Faces, vertices, and edges. Faces, vertices, and edges of a three-dimensional figure are part of a solids. Look at the following solids. Faces. Each flat part of a solid is called its face. Face. Faces is equal to 6. Vertices. Each corner where three faces of solid meet is called its vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. Vertices is equal to 8. Edges. The two faces of a solid meet in a line called an edge. Edges. Edges is equal to 12. We shall discuss about the faces, vertices, and edges of some three-dimensional figures having flat faces. Cuboid. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces is called a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 12 edges. Study the given examples. A box, a matchbox, a book, a brick, a tile, etc. Cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are equal is called a cube. A cube has 6 faces. A cube has 8 vertices. A cube has 12 edges. Study the given examples. Dice, sugar cubes, ice cubes, etc.